Hey guys, what's up? So today I am not back in The Sims 4. I'm actually back with a kind of meme video, or like a funny video. Now, one of my friends from, we used to be friends a couple grades back, and she's here now.
Hi.
So, yeah, we are going to, so when you, go into your texting and you're about to text someone, it has, that automatic,
predictive text.
the predictive text, and we're gonna just type with each other on a Discord server. Okay. So let's get into it. Here is our divider, okay? And you might be wondering why we have a random lady there. Long story, more videos about her to come out in the near future. She is going to be in my meme videos and my meme review videos.
She's from Twitter. She's a retired journalist.
Yeah. I basically found her tweet, and she's like, Amazon is the best, and I'm like, oh yeah, it really is. So I retweeted it, and she's like, oh yeah, go onto the Twitter account, and then I did, and we saw this. Okay, sorry, we've been laughing a lot, so let's get into it. Okay, so basically we're going to type from our phones, and then you guys will be able to see it on the computer. So let's get into it. So I'm going to go first, and then we'll just go back and forth between that. So,
Okay.
I don't know if you have any questions. Please feel free to contact me at any time, and I will be there at Landon is your B-Day, and I will be there at Landon is your B-Day, and I will be there at Landon. And we're just going to end it there. And there it is. My username is Google. If you want to, be friends with me at Discord. And that is our divider. Oh my god, I'm having so much fun. Okay, so your turn. Okay, get closer to the thing.
I'm sorry if you have any problems. I just is that you have to go take care about me. Me wanna cry. When you wanna get a little while, you can get help.
Okay. I'm sorry if you have any problems. You just gotta take care of me. Me want to cry. Me want to cry. Okay, 1 minute. I need to go get my inhaler. I'm dying. Let's go to Discord. I don't know if you have any questions. Please let me know what works. I don't think we will mess. I have some things up with the idea is the best thing for each two. The idea is to have any more questions. Please don't tell anyone. I can do it on Mondays. Alright, get closer.
Oh, okay.
So people can hear you. Will enhance the audio anyway, but
Move the chair closer.
go ahead.
Okay. My brother just called me to call him back to see if he was going back to school shopping, and he didn't want to go to school tomorrow because he had school tomorrow.
Before we go any further, let's just look at this lovely face of Cynthia, okay?
I'm gonna, die here.
This poor woman is now a meme. Okay, my turn now. Mine isn't nearly as funny as Quinn's over here, so. Okay. let's do it. And I'm not gonna do the middle every time. So thanks. Okay, emoji. I will mess things up for each of us to get the money. I will mess things. Are you actually? Let's go to the idea is to get the kids together. I will mess. I've actually texted that. Like, I will mess things up to a person. Like, 3 people at the same time. And they're like, no, you won't. And I'm like, yes, I will.
Making me pay for my homework.
Pay!
Book emoji was a way of telling her I was about live here because I didn't have her homework, and she told him that I would like it.
She told him that I would like it.
Okay. My mom's making me pay for my homework. Was a way of telling her I was about being live here because I didn't have her homework, and she told him that I would like it.
She told him that I would like my homework, and I don't really like that about my mom. Okay.
I like my mom. She's nice.
Yeah, she is. She's really chill. All right. 8 minutes. I'll do it one more time, and you'll do it one more time.
8 minutes, really, because we had to take that big break.
Yeah, it's really not 8 minutes, but whatever. Okay.
Get up to that 10-minute mark so you can add those mid-rolls and get that money.
We need the idea that you can use my parents' scared emoji, the money for it smells the best for the new year with Pepsi or Coke or Will. I know if he has to watch other day I was too baby. I'm good. Just got my first choice would be good if we're dating, and I'm good just like you. I'm like, it's not sponsored by Pepsi or Coke. Hashtag not sponsored.
I'm gonna Gucci your lawnmower. You have to get your hair cut. And do you want me to buy you something like that? I'm gonna Gucci your lawnmower.
I'm gonna Gucci your lawnmower. So this is a mixture of, personally, my phone has a mixture of what other people have said to me and what I've said. So, yeah, I don't know if that's the same with your phone, is it?
I think it's what I type.
Yeah, so she said before, I'm gonna Gucci your lawnmower to someone. And how about let's just scroll up through the mess of a conversation that it is and end on this beautiful person's face, okay? We would like to thank Cynthia for being probably the best meme we've seen in years. On that note, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Scroll down.
And, okay, I should scroll down. Oh my god, we are ending it on this, actually, because this is beautiful. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to leave a like to let us know so we can make more of these. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next one. So long for now, my awkward team. And thank you to Cynthia. Start to talk. Talk again. Oh my god. Okay.